Hello, this is the Navis setup. This is the head of the robot, and here you can see at the back of the model there's a speaker box, and then this is the box where all the components are kept, and the switch will be outside so that the it can be turned on and off easily. And now I will show how to set up the robot using the app that we have built. So initially we have to first turn on the switch. The robot lights will turn on. That indicates that the robot model is ready to get connected to the app. So after turning on, you can open the Wi-Fi settings of your phone. And you can see there's a Wi-Fi name called Navis underscore setup. You have to select that. And once you select, it will take you to the sign in page. There it will scan for the networks that are available. And once it finishes the scanning, it will show select a network. When you press on select a network, it will give the list of Wi-Fis that are available. You can connect to any available Wi-Fi and enter the password and save and connect. So you will get a pop-up saying Wi-Fi credentials are saved. So once the Wi-Fi credentials are saved, open the app named Navis, and then you can see Discover Navis. If you click on that, it will scan for the network that is connected to the Navis model, and it will give you the IP address of the model. You can see that Navis found at the particular IP address, and then the Grok API key will be given to you, which you can paste, and then you can connect the system. And now you can see that the chat has been opened. Now the model has 3 languages: English, Hindi and Kannada. You can chat with either of these 3 languages, and then you can either type and send the questions, or you can use the microphone that is available.
Hello. It's nice to meet you. I'm Louise, your AI assistant from RoboManthan. How can I help you today?
Now if you want to change the language, you can again select the language whichever you want. I'll select Hindi. इंडिया के प्रधानमंत्री कौन है?
नमस्ते, भारत के वर्तमान प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी हैं। वे 2014 से यह पद संभाल रहे हैं। क्या आपको और कुछ जानना है?
So similarly, you can use Kannada as well. And then if you want to reset the chat, you can click on this icon and then the chat will be reset. If you want to change the Wi-Fi that you have connected, you can click on this icon over here. And then there is a reset ESP32 Wi-Fi option. Once you click on that, you will get a pop-up. Click OK, and then the Wi-Fi is reset, and then you can go back to the Wi-Fi and connect to the Wi-Fi of your choice. So this was the working of the Navis model. Thank you.